I would be introducing you to a backend as a service that you can pair with any front-end application to build full-stack products like a pro without needing to set up any backend infrastructure. So if you go to the documentation section, there is a section called the Starter Kit. You can get to use this to understand what's going on with this software as a service. If you click on the link to clone the GitHub projects on your system, let's do that right now, and we already have it. So let's check out the content, and we have it here. It's just a basic file, a basic HTML project. We are going to open this with VS Code for us to be able to edit it properly. So now that we've opened the project, the next thing for us will be to go to config.js. So under config.js, we have to do two things: replace our API key and our project ID. So to do this, the documentation says we should go to the dashboard. Okay, so let me sign in. And that's good. I have my API key on the dashboard. So let me go back to the project and let me replace my API key, and also I have to get my project ID. So let me create a project for this. So let's call it practice project. So we've created a new project and I'm grabbing the project ID. Okay, so I think we are good to go. So the next stage is to just start your index.html. It's as simple as that. So the first way to know if what we've done is working is to fill this contact form. So let's just use the generic John Doe and let's do jd@test.com, and this is a test message. Let's send the message, and it says successfully. To where exactly? Let's find out. So if you go to the dashboard, so consider this as your database management. Your project houses your tables, and on your tables, if we refresh from the last record, we have the contact messages. So in the REST API, if you check it out, we have this route. So there's this route in the application that we are actually using. So if we go to the index.html, which we work with now, and you check out here where we are making the API request. So here we are fetching from the config/contact messages/records, and that is how we got the message to this place. That's so fast. That's not the end. You could also do other things like log in and sign up a user just with your API key. So let's use the information we used here. So here we are ready to sign up, and we have signed up successfully. That's so interesting. Is it really real? Let's check it out. So let's log out this user, and after logging out, let's try to log in with the same email. Now I'm pressing a wrong password. It's long for you to obviously know it's wrong, and it's telling us invalid credential. So with this same API, we can just sign up a user and the user can sign in later. Now let's put the correct password, and yes, we have it. It's working fine. So next, let's try to validate the email address by clicking on send verification email. It says the email has been sent, and let's see if it's actually delivering. Complete successfully. Oh, so email is verified successfully. That's interesting. Let's refresh. Let's see if this is so this is not actually an hack. It's actually verified. And now let's verify our phone number via SMS, and it says verification code has been sent to the phone. So we have the message now, and let me first press the wrong code, and let's see if it works. It says invalid code, and now let's press the correct code, and let's see if it works. And yes, our phone is also verified successfully. So there is a lot more we can do. We can verify profile, and we could see this is just a good starting point. You can update your profile, and this is like your database where you manage your records, so you can see the information for this particular user. So if I go to, okay, this is contact message. If I go to the users, you could see the user that I created just now, and the time the email was verified, the phone was verified. So this is a short introduction to HiSend. It is powerful enough to get your project working. Thank you.